Hey guys, what's up? I'm Chef Nando and this is Chef Nando's vlog. This is my very first YouTube introduction video. I'm gonna be vlogging about cooking, music, the various types of stuff. Stuff that you guys will enjoy. And I hope you guys like, share, and comment. And I hope you guys look out for plenty more videos to come out. And tune into my channel, help the channel to grow. I hope you find various of interesting stuff that you guys like, and you guys always come along and check it out and keep in tune with what I'm about to give you guys. Plenty of stuff to showcase, and I hope you guys like it. So, peace, love, and respect always.